Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can zoom in on TradingView app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already done the TradingView app on your PC and already logged in as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface of the TradingView app found in this way. And you can also see this is the chart of the BTC USDT in here. And let's say I want to zoom in this chart. So what you can basically do is you can see there is a lot of tool at the left side of this chart. So you can also see there is a zoom in icon in here. So if you click on this magnifier icon, you simply need to select the area, let's say up to here, by dragging it up to here. Okay, so now you can see I have zoomed in this area successfully. So now if you want to zoom out, then you simply need to see there is a zoom out icon in here. So you simply need to click on this zoom out, and yeah, you will be able to zoom out from TradingView app successfully. So basically this is how you can zoom in on TradingView app on your PC. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.